That right there, that's a California dried fig, and it's about to become the best thing you've baked all year. Every single dried fig sold in this country comes from California, grown in the Central Valley where the warm days and dry climate create fruit with a natural sweetness you genuinely cannot replicate anywhere else. And unlike fresh figs, which have a short window, dried California figs are there for you year-round. To tenderize the dried fruit in this recipe, you will soak it in sweet vermouth from California. The figs and golden raisins will plump up, go tender, and pull in all those notes of dark fruit and baking spice. This cake has layers without being a layer cake. Orange caramel with a hint of the dried fruit-infused sweet vermouth, jammy California figs and golden raisins, and the golden tender crumb of the olive oil cake. This is the kind of cake people rave about long after it's gone.